Hi, I'm Caroline. I live in Indiana in America in the Midwest. Um, I started learning Irish as an adult because I love Ireland, and Irish is a unique language. The Celtic languages are unique compared to other languages in Europe, and it's beautiful. Um, I started taking classes at the Glucksman Ireland House in NYU in New York. Um, and my time in the Gaeltacht was quite small. I spent a couple of days in Gweedore and in the Aran Islands, and I did learn a few words there. My first visits, how to order tea, cup and tail at a hole, tea ditch, hello, go to my agate, thank you. And the thing that I like best about learning Irish as an adult, I'd say there's magic in the language. It has a lot of spirit. It inspires me to have dreams in Irish. And I just think that there's something amazing about being able to connect with other Irish language speakers in Irish versus English. Um, Also, I believe in the Celtic gods and goddesses. This is the language of our ancestors. So it is very empowering to learn. I think it's important to learn Irish as an adult because it is a beautiful language. It also is empowering. And it's just the more people that speak Irish, the stronger the community is, the stronger the language is, really. So I feel alive in a different way. I feel that my life is completely enriched and forever changed by the Irish language. I currently work as a PhD student in folklore and linguistics at Indiana University, and I also work part time as the folklore bibliographer for the Modern Languages Association. Um, and my ambition with Irish is to be able to teach Irish for college credit and involved in my course Irish traditional drama. And my favorite proverb saying in Irish language is Mara Nadini or Scala Hela, which just means that we rest in the shades of each other. So I love that. So I encourage you to learn Irish. Thanks.